Hello there. A friend wants to know how much sound does Oorja Wheel make when it is rotating, because they want to place it in a location which is supposed to be pretty quiet. Easy way to understand would be comparison of the sound Oorja Wheel makes with a regular fan. What we are going to do now is go very close to Oorja Wheel, which is approximately 1 inch from the blades. And now, for comparison, we will go to a fan which is mounted on wall here. I will start the fan and go close to the motor. I think it gives a fair idea, and I'm sure you will feel that Oorja Wheel is very quiet as compared to a regular fan, and it does not make a lot of noise. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.